I'll be showing you how to fix this error whenever you are trying to access your hard drive or memory card or flash drive or other portable devices. The error file or directory is corrupted and unreadable. So let's fix it. I need to access my external hard drive, and let's go my PC. Click on this, and as you can see, my external hard drive name is my passport, and it's located on the G directory. Once I click on this, it's giving me file or directory is corrupted and unreadable. Okay, let's go and solve it. The next thing we need to do now is to launch the command prompt by typing it at the start button, CMD. Then right click on the command prompt, run as an administrator. Then is up. Then type this simple command, chk check disk dsk, and then space. We can confirm the directory in which our external hard drive is located. You can see as G drive. Then let's put the remaining command /f, then the directory of the hard drive, which is G semicolon, then enter. It's going to run a couple of commands to check the errors on this hard drive. Then as you can see, it's examining the basic file system structure, then deleting corrupt attribute record. You can see things in hexadecimal in front of it, and it's going to correct all the errors on this hard drive. I may have to wait for a few minutes for this process to be done. After waiting for a few minutes, I observed that we are already at the end of the process, as you can see, and I noticed that the system refreshed itself, as you can see by the left hand side. Then we can go ahead and access our hard drive. Thanks for watching.